Are you constantly glued to your digital devices? Take a well-deserved break on the Global Day of Unplugging. This annual event, held on the first Friday in March, encourages you to disconnect from technology for 24 hours. It's the perfect opportunity to prioritize your well-being, practice mindfulness, and strengthen personal connections. Step away from your screens and engage in offline activities that bring you joy and rejuvenation. Take this chance to recenter yourself, reconnect with the world around you, and find serenity in the present moment. Mark your calendars and join us on the Global Day of Unplugging.